5,000 years ago, the Mayans worshipped Quetzalcoatl, a god who led them to leading them into victory of ever growing empire. Their empire grew from South America up north into Mexico and as far north as the area which is known as Texas. The Mayans had a great empire, and Quetzalcoatl was their symbol, their god, their leader.
The epic unboxing of Death Quetzalcoatl.
Now, 5,000 years later, as the Mayans had predicted the end of the world in December, released has been the Death Quetzalcoatl 125 RDF. This Beyblade is the sign what it's going to be. We are 5 months from the end of the world, and Death Quetzalcoatl will lead the way. As you can see, this Beyblade has a flat defensive tip. It is designed with a performance tip to be defensive, to go against the attack type, to win. And for those. And then we have the skill, the super speed, superior performance, super power to take on Samurai Afraid. To win, to destroy, and bring it to a premature end of the world. Samurai Afraid. And on the back you have the 2 modes. Built from superior materials, handsome appearance, vivid and great in style. This Beyblade is ready to come out. Coming out to show the world its way to the end. What is going to be the end of the world as we know it. The launcher, a light launcher.
Light launcher 2.
And a ripcord.
And the other stuff.
The ripcord designed for the ultimate in speed.
Or just this, too.
And the color, the golden color. The Mayans had collected gold.
Wait, I got this.
The Mayans had used gold as their currency. Gold, the absolute wonderful conductor of electricity. The ultimate conductor of electricity. Electricity is power.
Oh, look at that! Death piece? That looks good.
And the Blader of Winter.
We'll handle this part? Okay. So, first on the box, this is the owner of the Beyblade in the TV show. His name is TT, and it's a blader of the solar system, representing the planet of Venus. Okay, so first, we'll look at the stickers. Moving it upside down. Wait, okay. So here's the Quetzalcoatl thing. And it comes with just extra parts. T125 and a metal performance tip. So let's look at the parts now. Okay, here it comes with a red Beyblade tool. So here is like the golden face bolt. Here is the Quetzalcoatl piece. Here is the death piece, so it can go either way really. It can go like this, or it can go like this with a crown up or a crown down. here is the 125 piece and the RDF. So let's just look more into the modes for a second. I don't know the exact ones, but I believe this is balance and this is defense. So which mode do you like better? This way? Or, wait. Oh, there it is. Do you like this mode?
I do.
This mode.
That mode there, that mode's fine.
Okay, so we have Quetzalcoatl is now sitting on top of it. Looks pretty cool. And let's just show you what it looks like in the other mode. So it looks pretty cool both ways. So let's just leave it like this for now, so we don't take any more time. And now the face bolt has the sticker on it. Okay. So, and here you have, wait, gotta get the right spot, the Death Quetzalcoatl. So, that's the epic unboxing of Death Quetzalcoatl. So, thanks for watching.
And samurai afraid, beware. And for all who live, prepare for the end of the world.